Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM low-profile LED taillight on this 2015 Fat Boy. These taillights have been engineered from the ground up using the highest quality automotive LEDs with a modern light pipe design. Custom Dynamics' premium line of aftermarket LEDs provide increased side visibility to maximize safety through modern technology for Harley Davidson motorcycles. 5 light pipes illuminate across the taillight as a constant running light, while 25 separate LEDs provide a full contrast brake light. The low-profile design protrudes only 2 inches from the stock taillight base for a sleek, custom look on your rear fender. Replacement gasket and nylon washers are included for plug-and-play installation. They come with a lifetime warranty against LED failure, and they're DOT and SAE compliant. It's a simple plug-and-play installation for most 1999 to 2019 Harley Davidson models, including Tri-Glide, equipped with an OEM Squareback Taillight. They can be used in conjunction with Custom Dynamics Magic Strobes brake light flasher module for a full contrast brake flash or strobe pattern. To get started, remove the 2 screws holding the stock taillight to the base plate. Next, locate the 4-pin amp connector and unplug the stock taillight from the power transfer board. Locate the black foam gasket and remove the protective paper from the back. Gently press the foam gasket onto the back of the ProBEAM taillight. Locate the 2 small nylon washers and install them to the factory taillight screws. Plug the 4-pin amp connector from the ProBEAM taillight into the factory power transfer board. Reinstall the factory screws and tighten them down. Be careful not to over-tighten. Now you're ready to enjoy your new ProBEAM LED taillight. You can check out the entire ProBEAM family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.